Hi guys, I'm coming on with a video just to start with some basic crochet skills since we're all sitting here #quarantined at home. So crochet is something I've been doing for a while, and I was lucky enough to have somebody show me how to do it, but then most of my skills were self-taught. So I'm going to start with the very basics, the crochet hook. So the crochet hook is different than knitting because knitting has 2 needles, crochet has a hook. That's what crochet means in French, is to actually hook something. These crochet hooks are boy aluminum hooks, and if you see up close, they have actually the size on there. So this one is what they call an F, and it's a 3.75 millimeter, and all of them have a size written right here. So the different size is basically for the different size yarn. For instance, this is just a regular worsted acrylic yarn from a craft store like Michael's, and so you kind of just take the hook and see what fits nicely on there. This hook's a little small, whereas this hook's a little big. So most yarn will tell you what size hook you need, and that's how you determine what size hook. The hook right here is called a speed hook. This is usually a size S or Q. I think it's like a 25 millimeter or something like that, and it is best used for blankets or speedy projects, which is why it's called a speed hook. Most likely in those circumstances, if I'm going to be working something with a speed hook, I will take yarn that is double stranded. That means I'm going to take 2 strands of different yarn and hold them together. You could even take up to 3, maybe even 4. And you're just going to start crocheting with them together using your speed hook, and that allows you to have a little more of a bulkier look. The size of the hook also will determine the size of the hole in the crochet project that you're making. So crochet projects have little holes in them, and those holes are decided by the size of this hook. So if you want something that's a little airier, like a chain stitch that has big holes, you can be a little looser, and if you need something that's tighter done, you will pick a smaller hook.